Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your test results with CVS Online. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and see the results of your test on CVS Online. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to CVS. Now, once you're logged in, there's actually multiple ways that you can do this. One way to do it is to click on account and then click on test and health results on the right hand side. Or you could actually click on menu, and then from here you could actually click on test results and health records as well online as well. But those are the two and best ways that I know of to actually go ahead and see your test results with CVS Online. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.